Hello, welcome to Cure Disease Kuri channel. My name is Junko Shiozawa and this is my daughter Kuri. Kuri has a very serious disease called DRPLA. It causes the brain to atrophy. Inherited, no cure, progressing disease. This channel's goal is to find a cure for many diseases. And I want to share Challenger's life. It's great goal. Kuri's tracheostomy cannula was recently replaced. I would like to talk about that in this issue. A year ago, Kuri stopped breathing from a severe seizure and became in critical condition. At one point, we were told that she might need a ventilator for the rest of life. But fortunately, she was able to come home after a month in the hospital. At that time, Kuri had a tracheostomy. A device called a cannula was placed in her throat. When she was discharged from the hospital, the doctor told us that the cannula would be replaced every 6 months. However, due to the coronavirus, the hospital system has changed in many ways. I believe that in your country too, there are restrictions on visiting hospitalized patients. Cannula, which used to be easily exchanged in this hospital, are now strictly exchanged in the operating room. Therefore, she was on the waiting list for the operating room and had not received any notice even after 6 months. Kuri has been in and out of the hospital repeatedly with pneumonia over the past year. Other doctors in the department were concerned about her condition, saying, "I hope they will be able to change her cannula soon." And has she changed it yet? 1 year and 2 months have passed. The long-awaited cannula exchange took place. The exchange itself was easy, but the preparation was really hard. And at the explanation before the replacement, I was told that since the cannula had not been replaced for a long time, there was the possibility of adhesion and that it might bleed. I know that in case like this, all possibilities must be explained, but I had been waiting for so long that when Kuri was taken to the operating room, my body was drained of power. In fact, this hospital is not only where Kuri wandered between life and death during her hospitalization, but it is also where my husband Chiaki was brought from the nursing home and died in the ER 5 years ago. He was given CPR all the way in the ambulance, but he never returned. The memory came back to me, and when Kuri came back to the recovery room after the procedure was over, I almost cried. But there were many nurses around, so I held it in. Kuri had some bloody phlegm for a few days after the exchange, but it has come down now. I am really glad it is over. When we fight a disease for a long time, there are many things that happen, but we will move forward thinking that Chiaki is protecting us. So never give up. Tomorrow will be a good day. Thank you very much for watching. you.